Okay, so students, we today the topic is adverbs, which is a part of our English grammar course, and this is our third lecture for the month of April. I hope you guys can recall what adverbs mean, but just to clear your mind, here we go. So the basic definition is adverb is a word or phrase that modifies or qualifies an adjective, verb, or other adverb or a word group expressing a relation of place, time, circumstance, manner, cause, and degree. That means it basically enhances the meaning or the situation of the word that is linked with it. You can see the three examples. Hera was dressed beautifully. So beautifully is the adverb here, and it tells you how the dress looked. Second is the police saved the young boy from the fire courageously. Courageously tells you how good were the efforts by the police. Ali is awfully quiet today. Tells you that how quiet Ali was that day. Moving on. Okay, so we have to find the adverbs from this exercise. So first one, my dad finished the day totally exhausted. So here the adverb is totally because it describes the stress level of dad. These guavas are nearly ripe. To describe the ripeness, an adverb is added to this sentence, which is nearly. The boy named Kumar extremely lazy. The levels of laziness of Kumar is described by extremely, so it is an adverb. Gary is not old enough to get married. Here, the adverb is enough because it specifies the situation of Gary's age. Agra is a rather pretty place. So that means rather is the adverb here because it describes and compares Agra with other city. Her mother lives a very stressful life. Here the adverb is stressful because it describes how the mother is living her life. That Englishman is too easy to understand because he speaks pretty slowly. So here the adverb is slowly, and it can also be pretty because there can be two adverbs because both of them describe the speaking style of the Englishman. Samuel hardly noticed what Senorita was asking. So hardly is the adverb here because it describes how Samuel observed Senorita. Rarely did she leave the house alone. Rarely is the adjective because it describes the times when she left the house alone. Had you gotten enough to eat? Enough is the adverb here because it tells you a certain amount or the capacity of someone's appetite. This is it. Okay guys, here is a code to keep you motivated throughout this pandemic. Keep studying hard and I hope to see you soon. Good luck.